everyone. I'm on a beautiful coastal stream here in Oregon. I am chasing cutthroat trout today. I have never fished this creek before, but we're very close to the coast, so it should have, hopefully, resident cutthroat trout. It definitely has coastal run cutthroat trout, which it wouldn't be the right time of the year to be fishing for those, but it's gorgeous. I've got a few hours to fish. We're gonna do some fishing in this creek and then some fishing at a jetty with some frozen bait. So should be a fun episode. I hope you guys enjoy and yeah, take in the vibe of this beautiful Northwest creek. Guys, it is so slippery down here. And I am wearing the absolute worst shoes for this. So, odds of me falling are pretty good. Oh wow, look at that little pool. We're gonna see if we can get them with a big stimulator. All right, so we're gonna pop some dry fly magic on. This is the first time this fly is getting used, so we're gonna douse it. And then we're also gonna get the line, making extra sure that everything's gonna be floating as well as it possibly can. That looks like such a good little hole. I'm not seeing anything yet. No point spending a lot of time in one spot here. We're gonna be fishing fast. Looks like a really good line down here. That seems a bit easier to get to, so we'll give that a look first. Oh, this is a good little run right here. Take a quick dip into here. Oh, I had one. Ah, dang. Yep. All right. First fish. We're gonna keep them in the water. Okay, guys. This is it. On the stimulator, wet the hands first. Definitely coastal cutthroat. Such gorgeous little fish. Flies out. Absolutely incredible little fish. There's the cutthroat under. Let me get him back in. See you, buddy. Wow. There we go. Oh, I missed another. Oh, yeah. Yep, here we go. All right, let's get down there. Oh, yeah. This one ate the smaller nymph. Such a cool fish. These coastal cutthroat trout. Absolutely gorgeous. Let's pop this hook out. And get him on his way. See you, buddy. Woohoo! Okay, we're gonna call it on this little hole right here. Right there looks like some good pocket water, so we're gonna hop down there and check that out. Oh, really? Yeah! That was sick. Oh, and he's off. Oh! Oh! Oh, I missed him. He double hit. Oh man, he came up, hit it twice. Oh, that's a better one. And just look at how pretty these fish are. And they're, I mean, he inhaled it. Oh, not the best release, but on your way, friend. On your way. I think I've missed legitimately 6 in a row now. I wonder if my flies are tangled up? Oh, they totally are. I don't even have a hook. Well, that's why. That's why once you miss a few in a row, you should always check your flies. Go on, little buddy. See you later. Oh, there it is. Woo. And that is that beautiful cutthroat. Off he goes. Oh, I'm getting a bite. No. Oh, I got someone else's line. Dang it. That's it. That's the one. Oh, I had him on. Oh, I still got him. I still got him. That's a fish. That's a fish. Let's go.
Oh my god.
So cool. What are you, homie? Wow.
You take it out?
Yeah, you want to? Yep, keep pushing that way. Real hard. Nice. Well, I don't know what that was. It almost looked like a sea bass. We did it.
We did it. Should we cheer?
No. Yep. Yep.
Oh no.
Bite just turned on. Yeah. 2 in a row. Wait, this one's different. We'll definitely get it. Yeah. Oh, that was a bite. Yep, reel. Fast. I don't know if he got off, but keep reeling. Keep reeling. Come on, fish. Oh, he got off. Did you get a bite? Nailed the bite. Here, release the bail. He's poisonous. Okay. See, Robin. Alright. That's a wrap, folks. Thanks for watching.